Today we are going to look at reversing the change. Now, reversing the change is when you have already either subtracted or added a certain percentage and you want to find out what your original value was. So think of it like you had the answer to your question and you're trying to work backwards to find out what the original value was. So Erica bought a dress in a 15% off sale. So if she bought her dress in a 15% off sale, she paid 100% of the dress minus 15% of the dress. So she actually paid 85% of the dress. So 85% of the value is equal to £18. Now we want to know what 100% of the value is. So we have to have steps in place to go from here to here. And one of those steps is to find what 1% is. So to find 1%, I have divided by 85. So I'm going to divide this side by 85 to find what 1% of the value is. So 18 divided by 85 means that we have 0.21. So 21 pence is 1% of the value. So now, how do I go from 1% to 100%? Well, I have to multiply by 100. So then I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to multiply by 100. So multiplying by 100, I get that the value of the dress, what she should have paid for the dress originally, was £21.18. Okay, what about if you have added value? Okay, so we're talking about things like VAT or increase in interest, from the bank, all that kind of stuff. So Terry built a wall for a client. The total cost, including VAT, was £325. If VAT is charged at 20%, what was the cost of the wall before VAT? So this 325 is 100% plus 20%. So it's 120% of the value of the wall. So 120% is equal to £325. Now the last time we got it down to 1%, but this time we can take it down to 10% and then try and get it up to 100%. So what do I take 120 and divide it by to get to 10%? Well, I've divided by 12. So here I'm dividing by 12. So that means I've got to do the same thing here. So 325 divided by 12. So 10% is £27.08. And then now to take it to 100%, I'm going to multiply by 10. And the same here, multiplying by 10. So that's equal to £270.83. Now be aware as you're carrying out all these calculations that you don't clear your calculator. Just keep using the answer that the calculator generates for you.